All right. Welcome to the Pro Cycle YouTube channel. I'm Tom.
I'm Mike.
And this is our review of what we consider to be the Stage 1 build of our TW200.
I know you guys have been asking for a breakdown build, a review video of everything that we've done. You'll find all the parts listed in the links below in the description section. So if you have any more questions about what you're seeing, go there, click the link, and it'll take you right straight to the page.
Oh, exactly. So let's go ahead and kick this off. This isn't really going to be in order per se, but we are going to kind of cluster everything together that kind of makes sense. So we did start with DG's RST for the newer generation of the TW200. There were some changes. That's available on the site now. It's kind of been on there for a while. When we did that, we did the Uni air filter at the same time, and we also installed our Pro Cycle Jet kit.
It makes a big difference, especially if you're doing an exhaust and a good air filter. You're going to want to rejet the bike so it isn't too lean. You're not going to damage the engine. Plus, it'll help in the performance aspect of it as well.
Yeah, no, exactly. And for me, it made a huge difference going from stock to having all these aftermarket parts thrown on there. It seemed kind of silly, but once we got out on the trail and stuff, it made a huge difference for me.
Plus, it sounds a lot better, too.
yeah, a lot better.
Yeah. And then moving on from there, we did the LED headlight with the auxiliary lights and then the lithium-ion battery as well. More power, lighter weight, more light.
Yeah, no, and the lighting, kind of same thing with the exhaust and the jet kit and everything. It made a substantial improvement out on the trail. Rode for a little while with just the JNS LED headlight on there, and that was amazing. And then once I actually flicked on the Tiger LED lights, not only did it give me more view down the trail, but also off the sides and the bushes and stuff, so I kind of knew what I was coming into in turns and whatnot like that.
You'll see those deer and the Sasquatch and stuff getting ready to jump out at you. Give you a little heads up.
Oh yeah, no, exactly.
Yes, exactly.
Kind of following suit with that, when we were installing all that, we did the Tail Tidy kit. That's our kit, and we also installed a set of cat eye LED turn signals at the same time. If you're not familiar with the TW200, the wiring's a little different than how you would normally do it with, like, say, the DR. You still need the diode kit when you wire it in. You just kind of swap a couple wires around. We have a video for that. I can link that here somewhere. Definite little improvement, kind of safety.
Well, and it cleans up the back as well, too. It has big, long tongue hanging down like most bikes nowadays. It just gets rid of that, makes it a little bit more tidy, hence the name. Also, with the smaller LED turn signals, if you do fall over, not that we ever fall over, but a lot less likely to break than the big honkers that sit off the back on the stock.
Yeah, no, exactly.
Yeah. And then next, for us people with legs, we got the Ergo kit, and with the foot pegs and the heated grips, just gets you in a much more comfortable riding position, especially, if you're not 5'6". So.
Yeah, 5'8".
Oh,
5'8". Give me my due credit. No. So we have two kits. We have the Ergo kit, which is comes with our Fly aero bars, aluminum throttle tube, and then you also get a set of YZ 250 style, like MX foot pegs, which are going to be wider, they're going to be deeper, and a lot more aggressive than the factory pegs. It's a great option for anybody of any size. But then if you are over 6 foot, like Mike said, we do have the tall rider kit. Doesn't come with the foot pegs, but it does come with everything you need to convert over. Skid plate and handguards for armor. That was our next option. Ricochet skid plate, definite upgrade. I don't know if you've seen the skid plate install video, but I actually took the stock tin skid plate and just folded it in half real easily. Definite confidence booster getting the Ricochet on there. And then the X Factors, you actually had those on your KLR, right?
I did. I really love these handguards. They're great because they'll fit either a 7/8 or 1.1 bar. So even if you have your stock bars on there now, I would still recommend getting these then if you do upgrade down the road. But I have bounced these off of rock stumps, just about anything that you can imagine, and they've held up just perfectly. And then, if you have not seen that install video with the stock skid plate, he'll probably link it right around here.
Yeah.
it is ridiculous how you folded that like seriously a taco.
Yeah, no, I went in going kind of hard, thinking it was going to be harder, but no, it just, and I was like, oh, all right, well, yeah, let's not protect the bottom of our engine, Yamaha.
Right. That's just, yeah. So now at least if you hit anything over the size of, say, a BB, it'll be protected.
Yeah, right. Yeah, no. And then, yeah, we forgot to mention it earlier with the foot peg and the Ergo kit. We did get in touch with Moose and came out with a 1-inch longer shift lever. So for those of you with a bigger boot and you have issues kind of sweeping under that shifter and lifting up and making your shifts function properly, that is definitely going to help you.
Yeah, I wear a size 13, and yeah, it definitely makes it easier getting them underneath there. Anything to make riding easier and more comfortable, I'm all for. So that made it easier, and then I don't have to be contortionist to shift gears.
Yeah, no, especially with the motocross boot on, it's
yeah, ridiculous.
Really hard to get into there sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's pretty much it for stage 1, what we've put together. We do have a couple more stages, what we plan to have installed. Those videos will be coming soon. Hopefully we'll be able to, create a little bit better content for you guys. Sorry it's been kind of dry. We're new to this. We're not here to earn money. We're just having fun with it, and
exactly trying to get you guys excited for what we're excited for, and then it's all contagious. I've had some of you guys call up and talk, and you're super excited. We're super excited. It's great to hear the feedback. It's great to connect with their customers, and like I said, we're just here trying to get you guys informed of what's coming out and what's really cool.
Yeah, no, and we have some cool stuff coming up. I know if you haven't seen it on our website yet, we have green and forest green and yellow plastics available from Mayer now for the TW200. Some other colors hopefully coming down the pipe.
You may or want some for your bike.
Heyo. But yeah, no, everything on this upgrade is kind of where we'd expect everybody to do what we expect people to do first with their TW200, and I think they're all amazing upgrades. The foot pegs were awesome for me. Getting the bars up into a more comfortable neutral riding position was awesome. Having the pipe and everything, skid plate armor, it all just kind of cohesively comes together and makes the bike a lot more bearable, a lot more fun to enjoy out on the trail.
Yeah, I'm not saying that this is required. Everyone has their each and own tastes and what they like on a bike. One thing that we're always preaching to people, they'll call up, I just got a new bike, I've been on the internet, I need this and this. No, stop. Go ride it.
Yeah.
See what you need. Because Joe on the internet might have different tastes than you do. So go ride it, see what you need, give us a call. We'll get you taken care of on any of those things that you find that you don't like, and get you on the trail.
Yeah, no, exactly. Definitely. And thank you for hanging out and enjoying our videos. Please, if there's any pointers that you guys have for some of the videos and how we're doing them, or anything you'd like to see, please leave comments down below. Like the video, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, thank you. None of this would be possible if it wasn't for you.
Right.
Mike, you got anything else?
Don't forget, adventure starts here.
Yeah. Any good dad jokes? What's your best dad joke? Don't act like you need your phone.
No, because I always forget them. Do you know where you weigh a pie?
No, where?
A rainbow. Weigh a pie.